Well, this is a sight to behold on a cold, gloomy Friday the 13th in 2019. This is Gardening Angel Paul up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse, and I'm up here today to do a harvest of big Mustard Mama chilies. And they are growing in an Oxypot XL, which is a deep water culture growing technique. The plants are just sitting in clay pebbles there, their roots being misted. So I shall get on and start harvesting. What a great looking plant. So this is some of the harvest. I was going to say that we're in the middle of harvesting these big Mustard Mama chilies, but the amount of pods on this plant, I think we might actually only be about an eighth of the way through. So we'll be here for quite a while yet. Now some of you might want to know why they're called big Mustard Mamas. Well, they're big, they're mustard coloured, and ooh mama, they are hot, 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 hot. Now I suspect, looking at this, that it might have some kind of Moruga scorpion heritage in there. But yeah, they're very hot, very florally, very fruity, quite delicious, even though they're really, really, really hot. Let's go and check the rest of the plant out. Now, you'll have to forgive the mess because we are in the middle of harvesting. And because the plant is so tall, I'm having to climb up some step ladders to show you the plant canopy. Now, it is the middle of winter, so some things are beginning to die off because there's not very much light at this time of the year. But hopefully you can see just how tall this plant has grown. And there are just so many more pods to pick. I'm trying to concentrate on just the ripe mustard coloured ones rather than the green. But it's a prolific producer of pods, well worth growing if you're into your chilies. So this is part of the big Mustard Mama harvest. Yes, I did forget to bring a big enough box, but I'm not sure how big a box I could have brought because there are still more chilies on this plant that need to ripen and be harvested. So growing in the Oxypot really benefited this plant. It's been amazingly prolific. If you'd like to find out how to grow using deep water culture in our Oxypot, visit greenhousesensation.co.uk to find out more. This is Gardening Angel Paul, signing off, proud as punch with this harvest from Maudsley in Lancashire.